Hello, this is Sync. So, if you watched the other videos on this channel, and if you've noticed that Flame has talked about a partner, that's me. I know I'm doing like a really early face reveal, but just deal with it. Excuse me, I'm just kind of sick. So the reason I have not been able to upload videos on this channel is mostly because I don't really have a way of recording anything right now. Right now I'm going through a bunch of stuff, high school. You guys can see that stuff right there. High school stuff, Yeah, it's hard. I am a freshman, so it's new. Uh, High school, tough. Period. Um, so I'll try to get. Hold on. I'll try to get something recorded. I was trying to record some GarageBand stuff. Yeah, I will be doing some music. I will be doing some gaming as well. I'll be doing some World of Tanks for the Xbox 360. I don't know if you know that game, it's really good. I'll explain everything in that video when I do it, which is probably not gonna be until November. Then I have like some breaks or something, or anytime during the weekends. And I will be doing Minecraft on the Xbox though, because I don't have it on the PC or Mac or anything like that. Um, those are the two main series I have planned. I have two separate series. I have two separate series planned out for Minecraft. One collab with a friend of mine. Not Flame, someone else, and yeah. Um, Flame, I hope you're okay with me doing a video with someone else. Yeah, okay. That's mostly it. Just want to make like a little vlog, I guess. Saying why I'm not active. Yeah. Um, my door's open. I need to fix that. Anyway, my door's even more open now. Oh God, who opened it? That part I'll probably cut out. But life is hard at the moment, so I am gonna have some trouble uploading videos. I'll see when I can upload them. But right now, I'm focusing on school. That's pretty much the most important thing. Hopefully Flame can upload some videos or something like that and just keep the channel running. Until then, I'll probably be inactive for a few more weeks, maybe a month, I don't know. As long as I don't have a camcorder, which is all I need really. Excuse me. Again. If I don't have a camcorder, then I can't record anything, so Flame is doing PC stuff, I'm doing Xbox stuff. That's the plan right now, so we're gonna be doing that. So I will see you later. Peace out.